Hello, listeners. Hi, my name is Madhavi, and I'm so happy to have you on Upptalk. You have come to the right place if you want to learn about IT and do really cool things with your hands. We are not just another IT company when I say Upptalk. Think of us as your learning partner dedicated to helping you reach your full potential. We have top notch hands on courses to help you build your business, whether you are new to technology or want to move up in your current job. Let's look around this as our first step towards learning.
Right. What is the difference between this and this? This, what is this? I am not sure. I am not also sure. Might be. They have added this into this list. Just to for navigation purpose, they will click on this and they will directly come onto this page. It is the same thing. Where is this? Oh, there is also another one. In the report also, there is another one. There are two navigations actually. We can create a safe search from here. Let's say we want to create a safe search on transaction. What is all this? This is a list of what? This is list of records on which we can create a safe search on. Oh, these are records. Those are actually records. Right. Even customer also is there, right? Customer is there, employee is there. What custom records will be there and everything will be there. You can create safe search on all those, whatever is present in that list. Let's say the type we want to put is here. We can see that from the transaction, we can pull any data of this. These type of transaction are there. Let's say you want to pull the data of A. Let's say they will not be deposited. Let's say invoices there. Or you can select multiple as well. Oh yes, multiple. How about sales order? Is sales order here? Sales order will be here. Sales order. What is the difference between? Is it? Oh, you can, but customer will not be here. Correct. Because this is that the safe search you are creating, it is on transaction records only. Now I have sales order invoice item fulfillment. I mean in your this list you want to search right now. The search is on invoice item, fulfillment and sales order. All those will be filtered and will be printed in result. If you want to put any further filter, you can put again, let's say a date created or something. You can do that. This the list of few here, right, is a list of few on the invoice item fulfillment and sales order correct. Let's say building has a building number correct. Sales order has a sales order number. Item has item. Everything will show up here correct. I wonder how do you list? Let's say you can put any filter. I mean you can put the filter on status or something. It works. But my question is, I heard you finish the status. From here, you can select whatever fields you want to see. And one another thing is that, let's say your sales search is returning you 100 results, right? What you can do, you can sort it by any, let's say, order type. You can sort it by order type, or you can select descending order. And then by this, I mean first you want to see by order type, and then by any other field which you are printing in your sales search, you can do that. And if you want, I mean, if your search is printing much data and on UI only, you want to see, let's say, 10 results only, right? You can click on this and you can enter whatever amount of results you want to see. Let's say you want to see 10 results only, right? You will enter here and you can save this. Right, the search will be returning all the results, but in actual it will return all the results, but on your UI only 10 results will be shown. And after that, let's try saving this search. Here I only see sales order, where is item, fulfillment and invoices. That you can see that this search is returning total this 146 results, right? But here we are printing 10 only. The question is, you are seeing only sales order here, right? There is. If you want, you can search by one, but there's one other way. Let's say available filter, right? I'll click on this. Oh, there's a record type. You can see that earlier this option was not there, right? Now you want to see data other than sales order. You want, let's search invoice. If there will be any data, it will show. You can see that all data is of invoice. That way you can put other filters as well from there. If I want to join a sales order and an invoice, I let you finish first. Is there anything else you want to cover? Join will be the same only. I want to join a sales order and invoice. I want to see this sales order. How many invoice does it have together with some other invoice detail? For example, how do I join that? For that, let's remove this invoice, right? First from here, that there is no error, right? I mean, you want to access invoices from sales order record only. I want to see the details order. What are the invoices, side by side? This is working. Let me then create this. Tight. Actually, date filter I put because there will be a lot of data if I don't put date. Now you want to see whatever transactions are there associated with this sales order. Maybe there may be invoices or any item. Fulfillment right. That we have. Apply to transaction fields. Oh, that's the field. You need to sort only, everything will be there. Invoice. I just want to search the type of this transaction. Actually, there are two fields from where you can search. Either it will be applied to transaction or it will be an applying transaction. Let me search both. In both, nothing is there. Let's see if there is any. Let's search a transaction which has the invoice in. I think most of the sales order don't have invoices. Helpful field or whatever. This also has a thing. Actually, all the sales order you can see here are in pending fulfillment stage only. No fulfillment is created and no invoice is created for all these records. That is why this problem here, which one should I use, apply to? Is it apply? You can search by apply to or in applying transaction. It will be there in any of that. I'm not sure which one. But in apply to or applying transaction, from there you can search whatever transaction are associated with that particular sales order. You can print internal IDs and whatever fields are there available. You can print all those fields. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@therightuptalk.com.